trying to see if it's going to connect. Once I know we connected, then we get to the screen. We connected, boom. Let's get to the screen. Market is open. We went as high as 92. Popped to 92 early. Okay. Let me get some up here. 15-minute chart. I usually show on a bigger screen, so I gotta use this smaller screen today because I'm not at home. So I have my charts. I'm copy trading from my live sim account. Well, from my live account, but I'm using a sim account, and I'm copy trading to 5 Lucid firm accounts, to 5 Lucid accounts. So I got to make 9,000 to pass the eval. Let me go back because I don't think that give me a second. Okay. Something is not. Okay. Boom. Need the mic. Here we go. There I go. Boom. There I go. HD webcam. Boom. There I go again. Okay, I think we good. Testing, 1, 2. Okay. Boom. Let's go. Get this out the way. Get that out the way. And we popped to 6,800 early. We popped to 6,800 early. This is too small, too short down there. I'm on a laptop, so pardon what I have right now. Look at this. We just rolling to this morning. We're coming up to this R2 8004. They are pushing. The low on here is 97. I'm going to try to get it short.
Order filled. Order submit. Order filled.
My first is supposed to be 4.25. And then my second is 10 points. I'm at 98, so I got to go to 88. 88, 25. This is supposed to be set already, but oh, I'm about to get tagged. What's the high on here? The high is 0275. We've been in this area. Are we going to stay over 68? They might want to keep it over 68. What did I get in at? I got in a little later. Might keep pushing. It might keep pushing. I'm just trying to see if this first run should have waited till after the first 15 minutes, actually. See, and it wasn't over the high.
Order filled.
And it wasn't over the high. There we
Order
go.
submitted.
I'm gonna see.
Order filled.
I'm gonna see. Hello. It's supposed to be not 4 points. Come on, my orders is not checking
Order
in right.
filled.
It got me anyway, right? It's supposed to be in the 80s. Got to get down below here. I got one order filled. Where I'm at 6,800, so I'm gonna try to get the 90. It's supposed to be 90. There we go. Down back in this area. 97. Let me see something. Put my chart trader on here so I can start moving it. Move this to break even. Because once I get my first target, I move to break even and try to get 10 points. So the first one is 4 points. First target is 4. Second target is 10. I don't think I got the 4 points because I can get to move it. But the second target is 10 points. So let's see. And my options, I didn't get my options trade in. We at 6,800 and we're up how many points? Okay, I got to log back into this. Yeah, it's got to get past this area here, and it's not really dumping past that 96 area. It's not getting past 96 yet. Having a hard time getting past 96. Okay.
Order filled.
Come back up. These orders right here might get squeezed out. Let's see what happens. This is the first drive, opening drive. $68. I'm trying to stay above that 68. Trying to stay above 68 and go. Back up to the high. Now 05. We can get up to 07. Maybe it wants to test above, go up to 10. We hit 4, 4.25. We're up 45 points so far. We can get up on a daily 68.16. We're above this 95, this close of 93. All right, we hit. Oh, we hit 6803 and a 375. And still trying to push. Over 6,800. We hit the 6810, hit 6811. Hit this off here. Hit this pivot. I'm gonna let this settle down. I'm gonna let this settle down. I like it under 6,800 for short, but we might try to test these. Just open 07, 010. We still making low highs, squeezing them. Pop, squeeze. Pop and a squeeze. The high on this daily bar is 19 and a quarter. So we might try to get up to this. Try to test this. What's this low? Okay, we might try to test up here. The high is 19 and a quarter. It opened up at 15. Take a pull back. See if it holds the 68. See if it's holding 68. We're getting buy orders in here. Getting buy orders in here. 60, 60, 175, 875. The buy orders is still stepping in. The buy orders are still stepping in.
if you go to a restaurant and have a flawless experience, I mean flawless. Mm-hmm.
We hit 8. Still going. Still going strong. Still going strong. This is my 15-minute chart. I can't see it because I'm on it. This usually isn't here now. I'm showing it and I'm on my laptop, so I can't really see. Still pushing. Still pushing. Got some orders trying to stuff it, trying to reject it at 675. They moved that way. All right, I just made my options trade. And let's see how my options do. See if my options trade works out. And that, I need to get out at 95 cents. That's what that has to come down to. And for that to happen, we have to break this. Nope, popping back up. I said we have to break the 6,800. But let's see. Let's see how we do. What time is it? It's 9:53, so 10 o'clock. Oh man, the next 10 o'clock bar opens up. And if that opens, the 4-hour bar opens up, and if that opens up and continues to run, then I think my options trade would be in a little trouble. If it pulls back some, maybe I should have waited to 10 o'clock. Because that 10 o'clock can be a doozy. If it doesn't pull back and keeps you running. But if it pulls back before the 10 o'clock bar to set it up, then that would be great for me. That would be a good thing. But I'm not sure we break 6,800. Seems like it wants to stay over 6,800. Seems like it wants to stay over 6,800. And with this 4-hour bar opening up pretty soon, my options trade may be at risk. I should have waited for that 10 o'clock bar to see where that wants to go, because that could definitely pop if it's strong. It's a strong day, could definitely keep going. Don't want to be jumping in front of a moving train. Definitely don't want to be jumping in front of a moving train. Let me see what the next R1 is. I know it's high. It's up at 68.58. Another 50 points. So over here, 68.50, another 50 points. Could be on the wrong side. This looks like a nice pop setup, getting higher, tighter. Over the 20 moving average. I think this is the 9 or the 8. This is the 10. So we at the 10 moving average, could get that pop. We'll see. Okay, it's coming down. Before our bar opened up, is it coming down? Okay, open a little lower. Let's see if we can stay lower. See if we can get some pullback. I just need some pullback. Okay, we're breaking 68. Let's stay below 68. Let's see if we can stay below 6,800, or if we're gonna get some come down, get some liquidity and move on back up. This is the test down here at 68. This is the test at 68. If the 4-hour bar gets some traction and move up, may be in trouble. Trying to hold. Trying to hold. I'm gonna hold out on my futures because I want to see how this reacts. Okay, look like it may be cracking. Look like it may be cracking. And come on. Okay, my options trade did good. I'm out my options trade for the day on that. Now just gotta work the futures. I can close my options book. We cracking is 97. That's where that support is, that 97. And we can come back down into the 90s, the 87. I would like to see a pullback and then a rollover. A pullback to maybe 800 and test it 6,800 again, and then roll over again. Just a fail, another fail of 6,800, because this could just be getting liquidity up under these bars for a push higher. I want to see if it rolled over, go higher and then roll over. Okay. So that's good. Close my options out. That was a laptop I was on over there. Matter of fact. Okay, we coming back. Test the 6,800. This 97.50 around here, right here is yo. Okay. I wonder if I make trades over here. You might see it over there. Okay. This might work. That's what I want to see if we this high when it went up to 99.25, and this low is what? 93. 93 to 83 if we get back down into the 80s. So 80. So still got enough room to get a 10-point move if it goes down. If it goes down, because it's long, definitely long day. Might want to get back above 6,800. The high on here is 03. The close on here is 03. We get above 6803. Order 191 cells at can't see bottom 67.97, 120, 9,800, 191. So if this goes higher, these orders not real big orders, but they'll get squeezed if we go higher. They'll get squeezed out, a little pain, may be able to push higher. But the next stop is up at up in this area, 68.40. So I'm trading sim. This is my lead trade. When I make a trade, I'm making it from the sim account, and it's I'm copy trading to 5 Lucid accounts, $150,000 accounts. This is under. Some of these are under 150, so got to get it back up. This low is 93, but 97 was like the line before we break this 97. I want to take
Order
this.
submitted.
I may have gotten a little. I've missed it. Let me see. Keep coming in and trying to hold it down. There it is.
Order submitted.
Oh, I'm missing it. Missing the trades. Might pop up from 90.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
That 4 hour bar can run right back down to 80. What's this right here? 87. Yeah, this 90 break go, but we right back into these. We got orders down here. This was that break. I was looking at it, but didn't take it. 97. Did we get the 87? Got the 88. VWAP is at 67. Okay, now we're breaking. Now we're breaking the 87. This line right here is the prior high on the daily. Right here. Prior high, 84.75. So we down to the prior high. The prior daily high, 84.75. Before that, it's 87. $88 is the high on the 15-minute bar. Let's see this next 15-minute bar. If that comes in, it starts to push up. I know you can't see this little bar here. I apologize. 88.25. This little chart should be bigger, but I'm trying to make it all fit. There go the 80. We touched the 80. We touched the 80. Got some buyers down here. Not much, but got some buyers down there. All right, let's see what this price action wants to do. Because 88 to 90 is basically back to 6,800. Back up here. Are we trying to get back up to 98? Or are we popping for a roll up to get back up to 98? $90, tested 90. Tested 90. So now between 90 and 80. We're doing 90 and 80. Let's see. See, we try to hold this previous day's high. See, we try to hold this previous day's high. Which way is the squeeze? Which way is the squeeze? $6,800 is that line, basically that line in the sand. If we go above 6,800, we can try to test. Well, we came up to test this already. 808, we came up here. We haven't tested that 10. We haven't got past that 975. Didn't we do that? Haven't tested that 975. We may consolidate in this area a little bit before they figure out which way it wants to go. May try to accumulate down here. VWAP. Bounce off the R1 at 80. Testing at 90, testing 90. Got a green daily and a red 4-hour. And I usually get chopped up trying to figure out if we're going to buy. The buyers coming in on the daily, sellers coming in on the 4-hour. It's going to be a push and pull because we got money looking at this and making trades based on the 4-hour. We got money looking at the daily, making trades on the daily. I like when they going in the same direction. More confluence in both traders on the same side. Both want to go up or both want to go down. But here, another 15-minute bar opens up in 4 minutes. We got a resistance R1 at 80. At 80. Possible double bottom, and then break above 90. Or we come and test VWAP back at 70, 73. Quarter bid at 84. Down 84, quarter bid. $15-minute bars just wicked on both sides. Can't see it. Can't see it. Let's see if I can show you. Just wicked on both sides. 15-minute chart is just wicked on both sides here. Yeah. Came down, bounced off the R1. This was the dump from here. This empty space. Right now we got to get above 90. And that's 90, that's 93. To get back up here, 99. If we're going to go. It's not too far. But 2 minutes, we got another 15-minute bar opening up. Let's see where it wants to go. I'll start with 80 in here. Right now we just consolidate. We're in a consolidate range because we had a big run up. Aha, you know what? What I didn't do. Come on. Real quick. Real quick. Where is it? If I do my fibs from here. Let me see. I'm gonna do it from here. Fib retracement. I'll do it from here. May not be the perfect, but we came down to 38.2. Next one is around 74. $92.75. 50% is 74. Which is right above the VWAP. I like that. I like that. I like this right here. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for it. Let's see if we can get that push up over 90 because we are in a long. I like that setup. Like that setup. Let's see if we're gonna get faked out. Let's see if it works. We're gonna get faked out. We got to get a. We got this resistance here. This minor resistance is 92. Ah, come on. We got this 92. I ain't really feeling that. Not really feeling that. Nah. Not really feeling that.
Order filled.
Then we have this here. Minor resistance, but it held. Got this very minor resistance. So it may be going down. 86. We got 86, 90. Maybe a little shakeout. It might go again. It might go again. Let's see what it wants to do. See how it. I'm gonna take it again.
Order filled.
Again shaking me out. Maybe. Let's see. Let's see. Am I just getting shaken out here? Getting run over in this Can't give me 2 points. Usually I try to get 4 points. Usually I'm on the 4-point line. I'm just trying to get on the 2-point line right now. Okay.
Order
stop the break even. Hold on. Give me a little room. Come on. a little room to try to get to 4. Just give me a little room to try to keep it, try to get to 4 points. Come on, just go up. I don't like this little shake. It looked like it can go up, but it can also dump and run over and turn over. Okay.
Order filled.
All right. Got that. So I'm not down that much right now. And you see I'm getting slippage because my leading, which is my live, which is I'm taking an actual trade off the sim, is actually getting better fills than not much. I guess a tick or two, a tick or something like that, because I'm in the positive and in the negative on realized. I mean on the the prop account, on the Lucid account, valuation accounts. Ain't uptrend. Apologize, my charts is not that big. I just added this, which took up the space for my charts to how I usually have them. I usually have them bigger so you can see them, but if I make it the regular size that I usually have it, we're not gonna be able to see inside here, but all right, let's see if we can get in the green today. At least get in the green today. Look at that. Okay. See, that was the, I couldn't really see the 15-minute chart, but that's what I was looking for, the 15-minute chart to break above 90 and take this 15-minute chart, this 15-minute bar, you know, that pattern we had came down low doji and come down and then get above that 90. Thought this first one was going to do it, but I was a little too early on the 3-minute. I like that pattern on the 3-minute, but and my 3-minute chart support, but not, I usually have it like where I can see it a little bit at least. Give me a second. Oh, I'm thinking I'm usually on 2 screens, but I'm not at home. I'm thinking I can go to the other screen. Can't do it. Again, this is the tricky part. Red 4-hour, green daily. So it's mixed right now. I'll start this one at 80. Which side is going to get squeezed? Right now they just up and down, over and under 90. That's 67.90. They're going over and under 90. We're going to get squeezed. Slow as 86. It's open is 86.75. 86.70. So open 86.75. This dip below, a little below 85, a little below here, may have gotten some orders for a little squeeze, but if it dip below here and then go up, if it get below this 80, 79.25, it's 82. No direction right now. Looking at the 15-minute bar, there's no direction right now. Zero direction. Just over and under 90. Over and under 67.90. Okay. I think I like this long here.
Order submit. Order filled.
Let's see. Let's see if we get a push. Let's see if we get a push. No. I like the way. Okay.
Order filled.
There we go. Let's get this to break even. See if we get that second target. Don't look. Come on. Let's see if we get a pop or if it's just playing around down here. Not a pop, but okay.
Order filled.
Okay, cool. Got that done. And it's still moving, but that was it. I like the way this 3-minute bar was set up. So that trade was based on this 3-minute bar right here. How it came down, came up, came down, and then it set up and bounced off of here, off this low. So we had this little, you can't see it, but it's a little pin bar here, right here. Let me see something, if I can show you. See if I can hide it. Visible, let me see something. Okay, this pin bar right here, that's what I was looking at. I saw it come up, come down, made a high and low, and this pin bar right here made me take the trade when it broke that pin bar. Well, I was looking, not the pin bar, but it was in the 90. It was getting over 90. I was like, okay, I like that setup. So, like, I like this setup here too, but it stopped me out. And then I took the second one. And then I took this. But, 90 to 60, 90 to 68, back to 68, that would have been a good 10 points, but I'm not trying to. I'm not going for the 10 points today. I usually take 4 points then a 10 point, but the way this market is moving right now, I gotta take the 2 points and the 4 points. And the 15-minute was also a factor in this setup here, getting over 90. So with this setup on the 3-minute chart and the 15-minute coming down and coming back up a couple of times over and under, and this setup here, you know, gave me the confidence to take the trade. Let me see what it's looking like on my. All right. So right now, I'm up 250, 237, 250, 262. It's 1047. Well, that's the gross. My realized is 215, 202, 202, 215. Still, some of these is not over 150, back over 150. Got to get back over 150 on this one account. I like this setup, but I'm not gonna take it. I like this on the 15-minute bar. I like it look like it could go, and on here it looked like, but I'm not gonna try to buy into that 6800. But that does look pretty decent. Like a high profit trade, and you can have a short stop too, right below the low, 95.75. But we'll be buying right into the open, near the open of this 4-hour bar. 4-hour bar might go from red to green. Can't really see that. So let's type it. If this was happening a little lower, like down here, and this was forming, I would like that, like a little lower. But it's up near the 6800 up here where the resistance is. That's psychological 6800, so I'm not taking it. 97. Move that out. Get some room. $97. That 97, 98. That was also that 97 was the support on the way down. That was holding also. Around this 97 area right here. We kept bouncing. 98. Let me see. This came down to 96. Then we came down to 98.50. So that 98, 97.75, right around here was that support level. And look, now we're coming back up into it and getting rejected. This was that support level that was holding. Then it cracked, came, then it just, once it broke that 96, you say 96. What low was this? 90, that was 93. Say 96. Once it cracked that 96 here. But now we got to now we back up to this 97, which may act as resistance, which it is getting rejected, 97, 98. But it's too close to the high right now. So we'll see what the market wants to do. Just let them, if they're going to accumulate and turn this red to green. Plus we at resistance levels. We may want to test 10, 69, 10. May want to test this high here. It may get up to what? 68. What's this? 68.58, 68.60. Who knows? We're already up how many? 40 points on a daily chart. We may try to get up to this high of 20. They try to get 20. I like this setup. That looks like a nice. Still, I like this setup, but I'm not gonna take it into 6,800. I'm not gonna do it. It's flattening it out. It's tighten, but making a higher low. Making a higher low. Tighten up over the trend line, over the 10 moving average. And next thing, rips butt. We up near that 68, which makes it a little more less high probability trade. It can work and it can fail. $15-minute bar is red. All right, open. 675, we're going to the green. The high of this bar is 8. So we got to get past the 15-minute bar open and the high of the previous 15-minute bar. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what it do. Okay. Look like it may or may not. It may go. That's a good setup. Definitely a good setup for a pop. Will it do it? I don't know, but I'm not gonna take it. Not up here. Cause this is the first pullback. It dumped. This is this is the first pullback. I want to see it at least fail. I want to see some failure somewhere. This is the first pullback. I want to see it fail. If we're gonna go up, at least get some. But if the 4-hour fell, then the seller's gonna feel like they're in control. If this fails and stays down, it may not. The buyers may get discouraged and be like, you know what, we're not buying this back up until the end of the day. They'll do it at the end of the day, but during the day they'll say, you know what, they want to hold it down, let them keep it down, and then end of the day we'll step in and buy it back up. But right now, just sitting on my hands, not forcing a trade, trying to see the bigger picture. We got another 15-minute bar opening up at 1 minute and 54 seconds. 1 minute 50 seconds. We got another 15-minute bar opening up. So you notice right before the bars, a new bar is gonna form. Price makes a little move. to help the next bar set up wherever they want to buy it or sell it at. One minute. What I could do. You know what? If I make the font smaller, right? Let's just go 15. Okay. Then I can go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, right? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Still trying to get my charts where I can have them together. I can have bigger, 15-minute chart bar opened up. 15-minute bar opened up. What's the low on here? Low 93. I'm gonna take the low. I'm gonna take the low and see if we get some follow through. If we get some follow through. We're breaking the trend line. We're breaking the low here. Oh, nah, come on. Get that out of here. Get that out of here.
Order canceled.
Yes, order canceled. Thinking if it take the low 93 and get some points down. Like it's trying to hold. I keep doing that. Pressing the wrong button.
Order filled.
Okay, it got me filled. Let's see if that was the right move or if it's gonna bounce. Let's see if that was the right move or is it gonna bounce. Another 3-minute bar opened up. Let's see. Not going for the 10 points, just going for the 2 points. The first target is 2 points. Come on, first target is 2 points. I'm moving break even.
Order filled.
$2 points and 4 points. That's it. 2 points and 4 points. Not going for the 10 points today. It's usually 4 points and 10 points, so.
Order filled.
Okay, that's it. Like that break, we was breaking the trend line, and at the same time, we had this break of this low of the 15-minute bars. We ran up, went a little higher, broke. So that's it for me for today. 93 to 83. Let's see if I could roll it down to 81. From pivot to pivot. Not pivot, I'm sorry. From 38 Fibonacci level to the 38.2. 23 Fibonacci to 38.2. It's possible that was 4 bars gonna keep coming down. 85, we got some support. It may crack to 85. So we made a higher high, a higher low. Now if we keep on this trajectory, we just follow this trend line or this may. Let's see. It may crack and come down, or it can pop back up. What time is it? 11 o'clock. That's it. That's gonna be my trading for the day. We can see. Okay. 5 Lucid accounts. I'm back over 50. Still not 50 over this one. Still below 50. Okay. Little by little, trying to pass these evaluations. Got a ways to go. 9,000. I gotta make 9,000. That gotta be 159 for me to pass the evaluation. So just showing my journey and see what happened. Try to make it happen, so I can try to get to a payout on this Lucid funding account. Well, not funded account, but this Lucid evaluation. So I realized 520. Oh, realized 520, but I made 562 after commissions and everything. So let's go. There is 10 points, 83 to 93. Did give me the 10 points. I didn't wait for it. Wasn't trying to wait for it. So we still good to go. And I see y'all tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Let me see how I do this. So